Hi there, I'm Professor Jurus, and I just wanted to make you a little video about how to do the loop light. Now, if you watch the video on the Rembrandt light before this one, it'll be very easy for you to do the loop light. The Rembrandt light, where the position of the light is, it's almost the same exact position, except you bring the light a little bit more to the front. And what happens is then I have a small shadow underneath the nose right here. I like to call it about the size of half of a dime. I used to tell my class that if they took a dime and cut it in half, about the shadow, you only want to be about the size of a dime cut in half. And then I had one of my students go and cut a bunch of dimes in half and to bring them into all the other students so they knew exactly how big the shadow should be. But you don't want a lot of shadow coming down. In other words, you don't want a long loop. The loop light should just be a small shadow directly under one side of the nose. So you don't want it to cover the whole nose, just one side of the nose. And you also want a little bit of light space between the bottom of the shadow and the person's lip. You need to leave that. And then the rest of this should all fall nicely. I'll take a couple more pictures too to show you the actual position of the light. But notice again, this side of the face is kind of dark with the loop light because I don't have a fill card in here. So if I bring a fill card in, lit up this side of the face, and then there we have a very nice loop light with the fill card for using the fill ratio. Thank you. I just want to include a quick still shot of the position of the light so that you could see the position in accordance to where the subject is. Now, if you notice, this light is again around, it's a little bit more around the front than the Rembrandt light. So the Rembrandt light would be just back this way about a foot. And when you bring the light around to the front a little bit more, then you open up the Rembrandt. See, this is the Rembrandt light that's been opened up, and then there we have our loop. So you can see the position now. And then here's our final portrait of Dr. Jocelyn with the loop light. Now, I do want to point out, again, with the loop light, is this is a perfect loop right here. This is what you're going for. You don't want the loop to come down and hit the lip. You want to leave a little bit of space in between there that's lit up between the thing. You don't want like a long, elongated loop. That's a perfect loop right there. So this is exactly what you want to shoot when you're working with it. And you can see the lighting's very beautiful on this portrait. I hope that helps. Thank you.